Mastering web application. Security accountability begins with a culture of transparency, not just a one-time training checkbox. When is the application's security awareness and training program formally reviewed and updated to ensure its ongoing effectiveness in promoting a culture of security among its developers, and what metrics are used to measure its success? The application's security awareness and training program should be formally reviewed and updated at least annually, or whenever significant changes occur to the organization, technology, or regulatory requirements. This review ensures the program remains effective in promoting a culture of security among developers and stays aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. During the review, the following aspects should be assessed. 1. Program scope and objectives. Verify that the program's objectives are still relevant and aligned with the organization's overall security posture. Ensure the program scope covers all aspects of security awareness, including secure coding practices, threat modeling, and secure data handling. 2. Training content and delivery. Evaluate the effectiveness of the training content, format, and delivery methods. This includes assessing the relevance, accuracy, and freshness of the training materials, as well as the trainer's expertise and engagement. 3. Training audience and reach. Analyze the demographic and role-based representation of the training audience. Ensure that all developers, including contractors and third-party vendors, have access to the training program. 4. Evaluation and feedback mechanisms. Assess the effectiveness of the evaluation and feedback mechanisms in place to measure the program's success. This includes determining whether the training has led to a reduction in security vulnerabilities, improved coding practices, and increased security awareness among developers. 5. Metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. Review the program's metrics and KPIs to ensure they accurately measure its success. Examples of metrics and KPIs include number of developers trained, training session attendance and engagement rates, quiz or test scores to assess knowledge retention, reduction in security vulnerabilities and incidents, time to remediation for identified vulnerabilities, user feedback and satisfaction ratings. 6. Programmatic improvements. Identify areas for programmatic improvements, such as enhancing training content to cover emerging security topics, introducing new training formats, such as gamification, simulations, or interactive modules, expanding the program to include additional stakeholders, such as project managers or quality assurance teams, integrating the program with existing development workflows and tool chains. To measure the success of the security awareness and training program, the following metrics can be used. 1. Training engagement metrics. Number of training sessions conducted, number of developers trained, training session attendance and engagement rates. 2. Knowledge retention metrics. Quiz or test scores to assess knowledge retention, pre- and post-training surveys to measure knowledge gain. 3. Behavioral metrics. Reduction in security vulnerabilities and incidents, time to remediation for identified vulnerabilities. 4. Feedback and satisfaction metrics. User feedback and satisfaction ratings. Net Promoter Score, NPS, to measure overall program satisfaction. 5. Return on investment, ROI, metrics. Cost savings from reduced security incidents and vulnerabilities. Improved productivity and reduced rework due to secure coding practices. By regularly reviewing and updating the security awareness and training program, the organization can ensure that it remains effective in promoting a culture of security among its developers, and that it continues to meet the evolving needs of the organization and the industry.